Number 5. Usha Racer Chrome 1200mm Ultra High Speed 400 RPM Ceiling Fan. Approx price, 2099 rupees. Ultra high speed of 400 RPM. Volts, 230. High air delivery 210 cubic meters per minute. Wattage, 78 watt. Glossy powder coated superior finish. 2-year warranty. Number 4. Usha Bloom Daffodil Goodbye Dust Ceiling Fan 1250 mm. Approx price, 3399 rupees. Dust resistant, high speed 380 RPM. Air delivery of 240 cubic meters per minute. Power input 85 watt. Unique blade design, oil and moisture resistant, 2 years manufacturer warranty. Number 3. Usha Striker 1200 mm energy-saving high-speed decorative ceiling fan. Approx price, 3099 rupees. 100% copper motor. Exotic colors and marvelous designs. Glossy powder-coated paint. Double ball bearing for durability and efficiency. With a strong 12-pole motor and wider tip blades. Number 2. Usha Helios 1220 mm Premium BLDC Ceiling Fan with rust-free ABS blades and RF remote. Approx price, 7449 rupees. BLDC technology. 100% copper motor with just 43 watt power consumption. Bidirectional rotation. High air delivery of 260 cubic meters per minute. 3 wind modes. Natural, sleep and normal for your different air needs. Whisper quiet operation. Rust-free aerodynamic ABS blades. RF remote. Control all the features of the fan from any corner of the room. 2 years manufacturer's warranty. Number 1. Usha Diplomat 1200 mm 50 watt energy efficient 1-star rated power saving ceiling fan. Approx price, 1599 rupees. Glossy powder coated paint for superior finish and longer life. High lift angle of blades for wider air spread. Superior high permeability grade electric steel lamination for improved life. Performs well at low voltage. Ideal for voltage fluctuations. Air delivery of 207 cm with 350 RPM ensures good air circulation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.